Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark or Capcut logo from your project. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up one of my project right here, and then the watermark usually appear at the end of our video, and I'm going to show you how we can remove the watermark or the logo from our project. Okay, this is how the Capcut logo or Capcut watermark looks like, and if we want to remove this logo or this watermark, we can simply click on the logo like this until it's active. As you can see by the outline that the Capcut ending is active, and after that we'll be able to remove the Capcut ending or the Capcut logo. Okay, and now the Capcut logo has been removed from this project. But guys, when you create a new project again, the Capcut watermark will keep appearing at the end of your project. So I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove this watermark from our project. If you want to stop the Capcut watermark or Capcut logo from appearing at the end of your video, you can go to the Capcut setting, and then you can disable the Capcut ending. You can go to your profile first, and then you can click on this icon on the top right to open up the Capcut setting. Okay, and then we can scroll down until we find the default ending. And to remove the Capcut watermark or logo permanently, we need to disable this default ending. Click on this toggle button to disable it, and we can click on discard. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the Capcut homepage, and I'm going to create a new project. Okay, I'm just going to pick random video from here. Okay, and let's see whether the Capcut logo or watermark appear or not. Okay, as you can see guys, that there is no Capcut logo or Capcut watermark on my project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove Capcut watermark or Capcut logo from our project. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.